Burnaby Town Hall or the firefighter town hall in Metrotown. And that's something, a site that we are looking at the moment.
Tuloy daw ang pangarap ng Mabuhay House Society na gamitin ang Metrotown Hall sa Burnaby, British Columbia bilang Filipino Cultural Center sa hinaharap. Tinitignan daw ng grupo ang posibilidad na bilhin ang nasabing venue. Ang City of Burnaby ang may-ari ng lugar na aprobado para sa community assembly use. Gayunpaman, maaring madugong proseso ng pagbili nito. Kadalasan kasi dumadaan sa public process ang pagbili ng ari-arian mula sa munisipalidad. Ayon sa grupo, noong summer 2025, ginamit ang Metrotown Hall para sa iba't ibang Filipino events.
The hall was used by different organizations within our community. So that space there's already a proof of usage and proof of accessibility for our community.
Noong 2025, 4 na buwan daw na binigyan ng libreng lease ang grupong Pinoy Festival ayon sa City of Burnaby, kung saan ilang gala dinners, dance rehearsals at art shows ang isinagawa sa nasabing venue.
It's very expensive to build something new out of the ground up, but for the Burnaby Town Hall, it's actually helpful that it's already there.
Pero sa pagpasok ng 2026, hindi raw muna pinapaupahan ang nasabing hall sa publiko. Taon 2021, binili ng City of Burnaby ang lupa at gusali kung nasaan ang Metrotown Hall sa halagang $13 milyon. Ngayon 2026, sa pagtataya ng BC assessment, nasa higit $9 milyon ang halaga nito. At ang property tax, papalo sa higit kumulang $60,000 kada taon. Sa face-to-face meeting kamakailan ng Mabuhay House Society sa BC Ministry of Tourism, Arts, Culture and Sport, Kang, wala pa raw ipinangakong pondo ang probinsya para sa kanilang plano.
At the moment, unfortunately, the number hasn't been allocated or identified on how much the provincial government can share, but I think the conversation needs to be done and the capital project planning and feasibility study needs to be proceeding.
Sa isang statement kamakailan sa Omni News ng BC Ministry of Tourism, Arts, Culture and Sports, sinabi nilang multi-year process ang pag-establish ng isang cultural center para masigurado ang public accountability nito. Nakikipag-usap raw ang ministry sa iba't ibang Filipino organisasyon na may planong Filipino Cultural Center, kasama rito ang Mabuhay House Society at ang Filipino Legacy Society na may plano para sa isang Main Street high-rise na gusali sa Vancouver.
Feedback that we received was very positive. They have been looking into a possibility of exploring the Burnaby site in the future, but there's nothing that has been confirmed yet. But one of the good things that we are having, or the positive sign, is that the engagement continues.
Teresa Barrera, Omni News, Burnaby.